If you are watching this video, it's because you want to have a compelling picture for your American DV lottery. I am Walton Doom from Walton Doom's Academy. So today I'll be telling you more on how to have a compelling picture in order to win the DV lottery. In our last video, I made mentions of 3 important things that you need in order to be eligible for the American lottery. But today I want to tell you more on the various things in order to have a picture that will qualify you to win the American DV lottery. So if you are seeing me standing today in front of you, you observe that I am in front of a white background. The white background is one of the things that you need in order to have a compelling picture for your American DV lottery. Okay, and I'm dressed in Togo. In Togo, where traditional wear is traditional regalia from my place, from my village. Yes, I'm from Cameroon. Yeah, from Northwest region. So today to talk on compelling pictures for the American DV lottery. So one of the things is you don't need this. You don't need a cap. Even if you are a chief, you don't need a cap, and you don't equally need to put on eyeglasses or lenses, but it's advisable not to put them on, and you don't equally need to put on chain. So you need to be as simple as possible. Okay, yes, you need to be simple as possible. Yes, you can put on this, it's simple, right? And now you need a white plain background to snap in front. That's, you need to stand in front of a white background. Okay, and the next thing is you have to be focused in front of the camera. So you need to focus in front of the camera. No facial expression like as if you are smiling. If you smile or you cry, it will not permit you to win. They will instead disqualify you. So you need to be focused, not stern, your mouth closed, and your ears should be visible enough, because if your ears are not visible, you might be disqualified. So if you have problems with ears, for those who have small ears, you can enhance them with cottons. Okay, and there are some things that you're not supposed to put, like earpiece. You're not supposed to put on an earpiece except you have listening difficulties. You can then put on the ear equipment, but I will advise you to actually let's remove them. And there is something that you need to know with regards to the sizes. There is a size that you need to have 600 by 600 pixels. Those are the dimensions that you need. And I will equally advise you not to put on a uniform, because maybe you might be a worker and now you want to put on your uniform, maybe like a military, to show that you are in the military corps. No, you don't need that. You don't need to put on a uniform to identify yourself. Just need to be simple. And for the Muslims, you know, at times with the Muslims they have to cover their faces, but the American DV lottery needs that your face should be well displayed. So I'll advise you not to put on a mask, because you know, like Muslims, we have a turban, tie a turban. So when you put all of that, obviously your face will not well be displayed. So you need to be simple as I am. Yes, and you focus in front of the camera. Your 2 ears should be seen, your eyes focus as on the camera. And for the ladies, I will advise you not to put on long earrings that will be dangling here. So just put on a simple pin earring and look simple, and don't put off wigs that will cover your face, that your face will not well be seen. So make a hairdo where your face will well be seen, and if you have mesh, mesh, make sure you tie them behind so that they can see your ears. It's very important. It's one of the crucial aspects of the American DV lottery. After you have gotten the three rating aspects that I explained in our previous tutorial, you can check below this video. You will see the link there, so you will watch it. So before you upload your picture alongside your information, you should make sure that the picture is being taken in front of a white background, not red, not blue, not green, in front of a white background. And the picture should be in the JPEG format, JPEG format or GPG format. Those are formats that are being required by the American DV lottery. And the picture should not be above 240 kilobytes. And remember, the picture should be in color. Yes, not black and white. The picture should be in color, and it should be 600 by 600 pixels. So I'm advising you all to click on the like button and turn on the notification bell if you need more of my tutorials. I am Walton Doom from Walton Doom's Academia. In our next tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to key in your information and insert your pictures and upload into the website when time comes. I would like you to keep your comments on whatever topic you want us to discuss with regards to the American DV lottery. Thank you for watching. Share and help others, because this is the only way for you to travel to America without actually passing through the bushes or taking risk in order to get to America. So this is the best way for you to get to the United States of America. See you in our next tutorial.